Hi guys, this is Amar and welcome to Network Engineer Stuff. So guys, in this video we are going to focus on how we can download and install Cisco Packet Tracer for free. So what we need to do is we need to do a Google search of Cisco Packet Tracer download. So it will take up you to this website, which is of Cisco Networking Academy website. So I'll just open this website. So in this website, you will see that you don't find any option for downloading Cisco Packet Tracer. Now here you will find one thing over here, that is download for free. So if you want to download Cisco Packet Tracer for free, what you need to do is simply enroll in one of our introductory courses below to download the latest version of Packet Tracer. So you have to basically enroll yourself in one of the courses of Cisco Packet Tracer. So here you can see there are a lot of courses. So I click on view courses. So it will take up you to this skills for all with Cisco, to this particular website. So I'll click here. This is, guys, basically very useful website, skills for all, because you'll get a lot of different courses over here for free. So here you can see that a lot of courses over here, but before getting into any course, we need to actually log in, or we have to have an ID for this. So I'll log in. Since I don't have any account, so what I'll do is I'll create one. I'll you can create here by putting your email address and password. You can just log in, or you can create it via maybe using this Cisco Networking Academy. If you have that account, you can log in via that, or you can do it directly via Google. So I have an option of Google and I don't have account, so I'll just take this account. I'll do continue. So now it is saying me to basically create this account. So I'll just put the last name also and submit. So now we're actually creating the account. So your country, my country is India. Birth year is the birth year for Tejas is 1990 and the month is January. So I'll continue. It's a very simple process if you use your Cisco ID. So these are the terms and conditions. If you want, you can go through this terms and conditions, and so if you scroll it down, so you'll find this terms and conditions. So you can I'll recommend once to go through this terms and conditions. So I will just click over here, which is a mandatory thing. I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And the second checkbox, if you want, you can it's an optional checkbox, so I won't click on that. Accept and continue, and here it is. So now I have landed up into this my learning page. Here is the name, so I can just browse it down, or I can just browse the catalog over here. So I have to complete a course. So what I'll do is I'll do a course for Cisco Packet Tracer. So I can simply go here and type Cisco Packet Tracer. So getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer, this one I'll select, and if you come down over here, this module 1, you'll find this modules over here. So what I'll do simply is I'll just click on get started. So now I have been starting this particular you can say this particular course, which is getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Now this is a course I'll recommend you guys. You can go through this course. This is a very useful course for any beginner to actually learn how Cisco Packet Tracer actually work and get an idea about Cisco Packet Tracer. So if you come down over here in this first chapter, you see over here 1.0.3. Here we have the option of to download Cisco Packet Tracer. So I'll click on this, and then you will find a few options. This is the resource hub option. So you will find over here that how you can download it. So this is the very first step, that we have to download it, download the version of Cisco Packet Tracer. So you have three options: Mac OS, Ubuntu, and Windows. So I have a Windows laptop, so I'll choose this option, Windows, and it is getting download. So so this is how we can download Cisco Packet Tracer. It is, you don't have any direct link to basically download Cisco Packet Tracer. You need to first enroll yourself for some course. If you don't have an account, you have to create it, and then you can download it. So I'll show you that how to install it. So guys, our Cisco Packet Tracer is 8.2.1 Windows 64-bit file is downloaded. It was like 227 MB, so it is downloaded. Now we will install it. So guys, this is our Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.1 file downloaded. So I'll double click on this. It is asking for some permission. I'll do yes. Then this is license agreement, as you do for every application whenever you install in your PC. I'll accept the agreement. I'll do next. It is asking for the destination location. I'll do next. It is asking for the start menu folder. So I'll do next. It is asking for me to create a desktop shortcut. I do want it, so I'll do next, and it is getting ready to install. So I'll install it. So this installation will take few seconds. So let's wait for this installation to happen. It is it will be done in few seconds. So you can see over here that this is Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.1, which is the latest version. We are doing this video in the month of January of year 2024. So this is the latest version. Give some seconds. We need to wait for some seconds. Now you can see that the process is almost completed. Now it is saying that completing the Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.1 64-bit setup. So it is asking for us to launch the Cisco Packet Tracer, and click on finish, and it will launch Cisco Packet Tracer. So I've clicked on finish. Now would you like to run multi-user when the application start? I'll say yes, and this is our Cisco Packet Tracer. So this is how it is getting open, but before that you need to again log in, whenever you have been using the Cisco Packet Tracer. So you have two options over here. One is this is via Cisco's Networking Academy, and one is via Cisco Skill for All. Because we have done it from Skill for All, we can select this option, and here is this is a very useful option that keep me logged in for 3 months. So it will you don't have to log in each and every time whenever you open your Cisco Packet Tracer application. So you can just on this option also. So I click on this Skill for All, and it will take me to this page. Now I have a account, so I've done it via Google, my Google account. So I'll click on Google, and I use this ID, Tejas ID. So I'll use that particular ID. I'll do next. So let's wait for some time. It will also it will pop up with our Cisco Packet Tracer window. So yes, you can see over here you have successfully logged in into Cisco Packet Tracer, you may close this tab. So I'll close this tab, and here's our Cisco Packet Tracer. So guys, this is the way how you can download the Cisco Packet Tracer, the latest version of Cisco Packet Tracer for free, and you can install Cisco Packet Tracer. So guys, I'll stop in this video here. I'll do come up with more videos about Cisco Packet Tracer, and if you want some more detailed videos about Cisco Packet Tracer, please do let me know in the comment section of this video. I'll stop here. If you really like this video and find this video useful, please do comment, like, and please do share this video with your friends, with your colleagues. Till then, bye, thanks, and have a nice day. Thank you.